Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today's video, I'm going to be doing a review on the L'Oreal Elvive 8-Second Wonder Water. So if you're interested on how this product works, what it does, and if I think it's worth it or not, just keep watching. So L'Oreal has come out with this product that says it is hair transforming in 8 seconds. So that's a big claim, and I was interested to find out if this worked or not. So what it does is it uses lamellar technology to provide silkier, shinier, healthier hair with no silicones and no weigh down. So what it claims it can do is it instantly detangles. It leaves your hair feeling shinier and healthier looking, silkier and softer at touch, and smooth and manageable. So we want to know how this product is different from the rest of the masks on the market. Well, for one, it's promising to deliver results in only 8 seconds. And that is a huge benefit for me because I know I don't like to spend a lot of time waiting around for a mask. Most of the masks are like 10, 20, 30 minutes. That's a long time to have to sit with a mask in your hair. So if this can deliver in 8 seconds, that would be amazing. But what makes this product stand out the most is the technology behind it. So L'Oreal claims this product works by using lamellar technology. And lamellar technology is a targeted delivery system that deposits carrying actives such as amino acids and proteins onto your hair in only the areas that are damaged. So the positive charges of the lamelles are only attracted to the negative areas in your hair that are damaged. So because it is only attracted to the damaged areas of your hair, it doesn't over-treat your hair and weigh it down like some deep conditioners and some other treatments can do. That is what makes this product different from anything else that is out there on the market. So the product retails for $9.99, and you can get this anywhere locally, any drugstore, Walmart, Target. You can also get it in Amazon. I'll have a couple links below for where you can get it. And it comes in 6.8 ounces. So how to use it. So it says you can use it 2 to 3 times a week, and you use it after shampooing. So one dose of this product is 20 milliliters, and they even have it on the back marked out in 20 milliliters so that you know. Use one dose, which would be 20 milliliters for fine to medium hair, 2 to 3 doses for thick to curly texture, and add one more dose if you have long hair. Even though the product is called the Wonder Water, it is not actually made up of water, but it does have a clear water consistency. So it's very runny, so you can just apply it directly to wet hair and lather as usual, wait your 8 seconds, and you can rinse it out. So I'll go to a clip now of how my hair looked before I used the product. And if you will notice, for one, it's a mess. My hair has been really dry, especially at the ends. I mean, I definitely need to get it done, but I have a lot of split ends. The color is just looking dull, really just lackluster, just not that much shine. So I shampooed my hair using my regular Briogeo shampoo and used this afterwards. I ended up using 40 milliliters because I do have longer hair. Traded most of it from here down, but a little bit did get on my scalp. There is a noticeable warming sensation when using this product, and it even tells you on the bottle that that's when it's activating. So you will notice that. It's not like uncomfortable or anything. The smell, I didn't mind the smell personally. It's not like a great smell, I don't think, but it's not a bad smell. Like, it's just, it is what it is. But I did see reviews on the site where people were very like not so nice about the smell. And it is one of those smells that does last in your hair for a little while. So just be warned of that. So you put it on your hair and then you're supposed to wait 8 seconds. Now, the time it took for me to put this on my hair was more than 8 seconds. So I find that amazing because this is a product that you can really use. Like, there's no excuse that you can't use it. I mean, it's on and then it's off, it's done. And it says that you don't necessarily have to follow with conditioner afterwards, so that can be your conditioner. However, in this case, I did, only because I saw on the website that it said that for better results to follow with your normal conditioner. So I used my normal conditioner afterwards. I will say immediately upon rinsing this out, I felt my hair was silkier. And then I'll jump to a clip here too where I am showing you brushing my hair out afterwards. It's just very smooth, very easy. My hair was not tangly at all. I don't really have a huge problem with tangles, but I do normally use a detangler that acts as a heat protector and all that, but I did not use any other products in my hair for this video. So it does say for even greater results to blow dry your hair. So I did end up blow drying my hair. However, I didn't do it until my hair was pretty much dry on its own. So it was like 80-90% dry on its own, and then I went in with a blow dryer. My hair definitely feels silkier. I just feel like the life is back into my hair. Like it just looks more vibrant, it looks shinier, it looks healthier, and it definitely feels smoother and silkier. So my final thoughts on this product is that it does work as claimed. As far as the lamellar technology and it repairing damaged areas of the hair, I do not have a way of testing that specifically. I will say that my hair feels healthier. I love the fact that it is only 8 seconds, so easy, it's so quick. So for the price and for the convenience of the 8 seconds, I would definitely recommend this to anyone who is looking to just add a little something into their hair care routine. I think it works exactly how it's claimed to work. It made my hair feel silky, shiny, and it did not weigh it down. And it did all of this in 8 seconds. All right, so that wraps it up for this product review. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell so that you're always notified whenever I upload a new video. And also leave me a comment below and let me know if there is anything that you would like to see me review. I am up for anything. So thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.